guys, welcome back to my channel Scoop Chai. This is Manjari Sinha, and in today's video I'm going to try these two for the first time. It is LA Color Sweet 16 palette, eyeshadow palette, and this is eyelashes worth ₹200 and this is worth ₹475, which is 50% off. And at the end of this video you will get to know what it actually does. So yeah, let's get started. First color I'm going to use is light beige color for setting my eyes. Take this shade and I'm going to take this transition shade, this light transition shade, because I don't want to go dark. And let's see how the pigmentation is. The pigmentation is not that great, but I think I can build it up. Let's see. The color which I was using on my outer corners of my eyes. Like, this is my third layer and it's not that pigmented. Like, now I'm gonna take this teal color on my in the center and in the inner corners. To be really honest, the pigmentation is not good. Like, you can see, it's looking like faded. It's not have a good impact on my eyes. I'm not liking it. So now I'll go with this color right here. This one is little better. You can see this is how it is looking right now. Just dab it. Last try. After a lot of effort, this is how my eye looks, and this is not a palette you should go for because the pigmentations are really bad. The colors are really amazing, the color tones are really amazing, the pigmentation is really bad. After putting 5-6 layers, this is what it looks like. I will try a couple of more times and let you know the updates. I will put some water and I will try it. This color worked pretty well with a wet brush, but this color is not working with the wet brush. So different colors, different techniques, and it's really hard to work with this palette. So now I'm gonna try this Nykaa eyelashes, which is cruelty free and also vegan. It's not my eyelashes, I think it's my feather. I will do like this and I will fly. I think I have to trim this eyelashes because it's really too big for my eyes. So this eyelashes is good, but it's like too big for my eyes. So I just trimmed it, but the glue is a fake glue. It's not a glue. The packaging is really worse. I tried to pull the glue, but it was not coming. That's why I just cut the back side of it, but it was also not. The glue was all dried up, and it's a complete waste. It's a fake glue. And I'm really disappointed with this palette. Like, I really thought the palette would work really nicely, but it didn't work. I really wanted it to work, but that's all I have for this video, guys. And please do let me know any other suggestion for the palette with these kinds of colors, and please suggest me a glue for my eyelashes because I really want to get it for using these eyelashes. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until my next video, bye bye. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.